All right, guys, so guess what? I'm actually here. As you can see, I'm washing the ginger. After harvesting my ginger, I'm basically washing them and preparing them for drying. I harvest all these ginger to the man. Such a beautiful harvest. I'm so grateful. I put in the work, I take care of them. Now I'm actually able to come and harvest a whole pile of ginger. Pounds upon pounds of ginger. I'm just grateful, Nice size ginger too, man. So this is a serious, massive harvest. I'm just cleaning up right now, getting them ready. Yes, get them dry. I'm gonna take a few pieces that I can plant back for next year, and I'm gonna dry the rest. Christmas is coming. Don't celebrate it, but this is the time when people love to drink gin, make them ginger beer. So yes, this is great. I'm grateful, man. So grateful. You gotta wash them. Trying to clean them up real nice, get rid of the dirt, and just put them to dry. And you wanna get all the dirt out. Once you get them dry, you basically good to go, man. It's a serious process. And you know what, guys? Ginger is not really hard to grow now. Ginger is not hard to grow at all. Ginger is not hard to grow at all. What I do, I make sure my soil is soft. That's what I do. And just plant the ginger. So once the soil is soft, the ginger gonna do its thing. If the soil is rock hard, then it's gonna be harder for the ginger and them to develop and become nice size. So that's all I do. Plant them in nice soft soil, nice soft rich soil, and then just leave them let it grow and do their own thing. And yes, this is the result. This is the result right here. This is the result. Man, there's so much ginger. I'm asking myself, I'm not finishing washing these things. There's a lot of root of ginger I harvest, and I do have a lot more to harvest. This is just a portion. But I'm so grateful with this portion, man. So, like I say, guys, always remember to try to harvest ginger before the full moon. It's very important. And we have some nice size ginger too. Very important, because you want the strength of the ginger to be inside of the ginger. So you want to harvest before full moon, not on full moon, before the full moon. So yes, guys, if I do it, you can do it too. Yes. Everyone could do it. Ginger is one of the easiest plants to do. I could tell you that. They don't need too much care. Just make sure that their soil is pretty nice. And yes. So this is it, guys. This is it. All this is ginger right there. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.